So, lecture 16 under Unit 2 Traffic Control Devices. So, cautionary or warning signs. So, which is mainly for giving a warning or caution for the road users on a particular situation or some road construction activity. The warning signs in work zone are classified into two types as usual, like normal triangular warning signboards and work zone related warning signboards. So usually warning signs are in triangular in shape. So you based on that shape you can able to find out. Whereas the mandatory or regulatory signs are in circular in shape. And the normal informatory signboards are in rectangular in shape, rectangular or square in shape. So these are the standards. The signs shall be in shape of an equilateral triangle with apex pointing upward. So the pointing upward, when only one signboard which is the apex is downward, where the giveaway signboard which is the triangle is the apex is in downward direction. Otherwise all warning signboards or the apex are in upward direction. It shall have red border, black symbols on white background. So the border is having certain thickness of red color border to bring attention of the road users. The white background, in that red color symbol or letters are used. The size and placement details of the signboard are given here based on the speeds of vehicles plying on the road. Up to 50 km, especially on urban roads, the size of small boards is enough. Each side is at least 600 millimeter or 60 centimeter, 2 feet, and border thickness is 45 millimeter, the red color border. The distance visibility is 45 meter. From 45 meter you can able to see. So if the vehicle is flying below 50 kilometer speed, means the 45 meter gap is enough to stop or to take some action to apply brakes and all. Right, and distance of signboard sign from hazard, how much? 45, same 45 meter. If you keep, that is enough. So likewise for each speed limits, speed ranges, they specified the size, side, what is the side thickness, side border thickness, and clear visibility distance, everything they have mentioned. So some of the warning signboards we are going to see with their symbol. First one, take left hand curve. If there is a left hand curve is there, the symbol is given like this. Okay, so the dimension is 900 millimeter, whereas the thickness is 70 millimeter, which was a medium size board, and the white background as usual, it is the apex is upward since it's a warning signboard, the equilateral triangle, and then symbol is in black color. Normally this symbol is used for right hand side curve. Next, the hairpin bend. So this signboard is installed showing the hairpin bend, the warning. It is giving a warning that there is a hairpin bend is ahead. You reduce speed or be careful. You need to take a curve to pass through a hairpin bend. So that is the meaning. So left hand hairpin bend curve is in the reverse direction. So all other things are same. So this is a typical hairpin bend in a hilly area. Usually it is located in hilly areas. So on either side, either directions, you need to keep this signboard. Next, the right reverse bend curve. So a curve is going in zigzag manner. Okay, there is a right hand curve, and then again immediately left hand curve, reverse bend, right and left combination or left and right combinations. So that kind of curve is indicated by this symbol. This is also giving a warning to the road users. So this is a typical, here the left and right hand curve combinations you can see in this picture. Next, the series of bends. Suppose a continuous bend is there in a hilly areas. If you see continuous hairpin bends may be there, or due to some agriculture lands or there, so road is going with several bends. So for that this type of signboard is used. Similarly, 270-degree loop is indicated by this symbol, the right hand head symbol, signboard. So you can see this is a 270-degree loop in a Katipara flyover, where the cloverleaf flyover. The right turn, especially the ramp, right hand ramp, looks like 270-degree curve, 270-degree curve, right? But it is there is a gradient difference. The level difference is there. Sometimes maybe at grade 270-degree loop roads also may be available. It is very rare, but this is a typical example. That's why here it is shown here. Next, the Y intersection. The Y intersection may be like this or exact Y in shape. Okay, so the Y intersection ahead, with this symbol it is notified to the road users. So you can see the typical Y intersection, right? It is an excellent Y intersection. There is a traffic island is there in between. Okay, it is in rural areas. Sometimes in urban areas also this type of Y intersections are there. So before starting of Y intersection, this type of symbol is placed. Next, the roundabout. See the signboard, it is a broken round line. So roundabout, since in all directions traffic comes and mix and moves in clockwise direction and separate. So similarly, for signalized intersection is indicated by this the right hand side signboard. So three signals, red, amber and green combination signal is indicated inside the triangle. So you can see in this picture a roundabout, beautiful roundabout, bird's eye view. So in India there is a practice that we all keep left. So vehicles, all the vehicles go around the roundabout in clockwise direction. The only advantage of this roundabout is there is no stopping of vehicles. Like signals where you need to stop the vehicle or fixed delay is there, whereas here there is a continuous movement of traffic, but only thing is it caters only for certain capacity, traffic capacity only. So beyond that you need to go for signal, right? So delay obviously become unavoidable when the traffic is high. So that's why the government also encouraging to use public transportation. See, even in this roundabout you can see how many cars are plying. So car traffic is a major problem in our country. So everyone use single car. Driving single car means then it is creating traffic congestion only. Instead of that, one bus is equal to around 50 to 60 cars, right? So we need to use the public transport effectively. Next, the cycle crossing. The cycle crossing is there. So there is a people may cross using cycle. So this type of symbol they use. And cycle route ahead. So this type of symbol is given. So crossing, there is a bottom dotted line is given. So without dotted line means it indicates cycle route ahead. Next, the rumble strip. So you can see at the picture below rumble strips. It gives a vibration effect to the driver, especially before the junctions, before any cattle crossing or pedestrian crossing, at-grade crossings are there. Okay, this type of rumble strips are placed. So it gives a vibration effect to the vehicle so that the driver get aware that there is some important crossing point is there. So rumble strip is indicated by the above signboard. So similarly, rough road, the road is surface is so rough, it is having so many undulations, there is no uniform road is there, ups and downs are there, then with this symbol it is indicated. So this is work zone related traffic signboard with the yellow background. Only difference is there, normal warning signboards are with a white color background, whereas this one is red border but yellow color background. So the signboard is indicating a steep ascending or steep descending gradient. So you can see in this picture, in the photo, the 14% upward gradient is there. So you can see in the picture also, the road is going up. So the gradient is so steep. So that vehicle accordingly they will raise the speed, accelerate, and they navigate. It gives a warning to the road user. And the heavily loaded trucks, they avoid such kind of heavy steep gradients. Next, the sign to warn the traffic has to be shifted to other carriageway. This usually happens when there is some 4-lane divided road is there. The one part of road, the one direction road is completely they arrest. All the traffic they deviate across the median to in one direction on either side of traffic they operate for road maintenance work and all this type of activity they make. So for that this type of signboard they use. So these are work only work related signboards. Wherever the construction work is going on, there only they use this type of signboards. These are temporary. Right? This is not permanent, temporary signboards. So this is obviously everyone knows the right hand side signboard is a men at work. So men at work which gives there's some activities going on, so accordingly you slow down. So you can see the men at work signboard, and the rear side there is some work is going on, road is closed, some construction work is going on, road laying work is going on. References. Thank you.